Hi YouTube, I'm PJ, a grown-up human who has always loved Barbie, and I'm on a mission to rescue, restore and rehome Barbie and her friends with people who need her. Apologies for my voice, I picked up a sniffle on my travels. Ugh, you've got to love aeroplanes. In this video, we're getting festive with an advent calendar unboxing. I was so lucky to find an advent calendar that combines my love of 1/6 scale dolls, Harry Potter and Christmas. How good is that? Let me know in the comments below if you're a Harry Potter fan, and if you are, what house are you in? I hope you enjoy this video. Hey guys, I'm super excited to be combining my two great loves today. Actually three great loves, and that is 1/6 scale dolls, Harry Potter and Christmas all in one video. I'm so excited. I actually ordered this months ago and I've been waiting for Christmas time to come around. So I realized that this advent calendar is no longer current, but I was able to pick this one up on eBay for about $65 Australian, including postage. So I think they still are out there. So if we get to the end of this video and you like what you see, you may be able to still get one. So let's get into it. I don't want to look at the back of the box too much, although I have seen an unboxing of another content creator and that was what prompted me to get this for myself, because it is just so adorable. Anyway, without further ado, let's get into it. Let's start opening. Door number one is Harry himself, so I'm very excited to get him out and have a closer look at him. I'm going to use my scalpel here so I don't destroy the box. So here we go. Hi Harry. So let's get him out. So here's Harry. He is lovely. We've got his famous circular glasses. You can you see his little lightning scar on his forehead there? Very famous. He's wearing a Gryffindor tie and school sweater and shirt. And this is sublimated, it's all in one piece. And then he's got his black school trousers and black school shoes. Now, I think he's got some great articulation. He's got articulated wrists, elbow and shoulder, just a regular neck articulation. He's got articulation at the hips and the knee, and not the ankle. He's a lovely doll. His glasses are fastened with a rubber band here, so I think I will just leave that on there for now. Can he stand up on his own? Yes, he can. How good is that? So I think because he's got these lovely flat feet. Flat feet! He can actually stand up on his own, which is wonderful. This is a great doll, and we'll be able to do some great posing with him with all of this articulation. So very happy about this. Here's the height comparison. So we've got our classic made to move Barbie, and then what I'm assuming is our 11-year-old Harry. So I think that that is a pretty good size. What do you guys think? And now it's on to day number 2. So Harry can just wait over here for a moment. Look who it is, it's Hedwig. Oh look, isn't she precious? So this is beautiful Hedwig, isn't she just adorable? And I can see she's designed to clip on somewhere. I think it might be. Oh, that's so sweet. So Hedwig fits on Harry's arm, which is just wonderful. That's just lovely. Oh wow. Well, I think we know what this is. Look at this. Now we've got Harry's wand and it's got a spell coming out of it. What do you think this one is, guys, for Harry Potter fans? I think it might look like Aguamenti. What do you reckon? Now, I see that Harry's wand hand is designed to hold his wand, which is fantastic. We've got this great little finger clip here. How good is that? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited, guys. I think Mini PJ is going to have to make way for a minute. What do you think? Now on to door number 4. Oh, what is this? A book. It is Hogwarts: A History. Not really sure how. Okay, I think they clip up like this. Then we can't see the cover of the book, but okay. Door number 5. Here's the Hogwarts letter. Mr. H. Potter, The Cupboard Under the Stairs, 4 Privet Drive, Little Whinging, Surrey. And we've got our Hogwarts seal, and that actually has got a little bit of texture. I can feel the seal there, which is lovely. Now I've just noticed I've got a little scratch here. I'm not sure what that's from, if it's the cat, if it's my scalpel blade. I'll be right back after a Band-Aid break. Thumb fixed, break over. Now we're on to day number 6. Ooh, this one's a double door. What have we got behind here? I think I recognize this. What have we got here? Oh look, it's the portrait of the fat lady. This is just a cardboard print of the fat lady, who of course is the keeper of the entrance to the Gryffindor common room. So I think we might have something coming up that she's going to be part of. And now day number 7. What have we here? Oh, we've got some fizzing Whizbees. So we've got some fizzing Whizbees, which of course are Wizarding World candy. So that's very fun. Day number 8. Oh, look, it is a teeny tiny Gryffindor scarf. Now, you may have noticed from Mini PJ's scarf that I am in fact a Hufflepuff, but we won't hold that against Harry. Oh, he's really starting to look the part now, isn't he? Day number 9. This is a bit tricky, and I really don't want to break a nail doing this. So what have we got? A piece of parchment for Harry to do all of his homework on. Day number 10. It's a beautiful little quill. Perfect, so now he can actually do his homework. Cute, that's the cutest little thing. Day number 11. Oh, Wizard's chess. How good is that? Well, I mean, really we need Ron for this one, don't we? Ron is the Wizard's chess expert. On those long winter nights in the Gryffindor common room, we do need something to do over the Christmas break. So, Wizard's chess it is. What a great little set. Day number 12. What have we got in here? That's very cool. So we've got a Gryffindor pennant, just printed on cardboard. Day number 13. This is Harry's Weasley Christmas sweater, which is just the sweetest thing. Oh, does anybody out there have one of these for themselves or an ugly Christmas sweater? It's not something we get to do in Australia because it's just too hot. So we often save our ugly Christmas sweaters for Christmas in July. This is Harry's sweater from Mrs. Weasley. That is so sweet. How adorable. Day number 14. What have we got in here? What are these? Oh, these look like they might be potion bottles. So we've got 2 little potion bottles. Very sweet. Now day number 15. Ooh, oh, I know what this is. Harry Potter fans out there, can you see what this one is? This looks like the Marauders map. So we're spanning a few different books here, I think, because this was from book 3. Oh, look at this. So now we can see where everybody is in Hogwarts Castle. Day number 16. This is a double door, not to be confused with Dumbledore. That was a terrible joke, I'm so sorry, but here we go. We've got a double door day, day number 16. So I wonder what we have in here. What have we got? Ooh, oh, this is interesting. Okay, so we've got some stickers. Oh, they're Christmas stickers. So they're little Christmas baubles and a wreath. And we've got Hedwig and the Alohomora bell. Okay, not doing a very good job with stacking the contents here, am I, guys? Day number 17. A really little one. Oh, wow, that's so cool. Desperate times call for desperate measures. Harry needs to sit because he keeps falling over. I think he's had too much butterbeer. This is so cute, this little goblet of butterbeer. Let me know in the comments, guys, if any of you have been to any of the Wizarding World theme parks, if you've tried the butterbeer. Let me know what you think. Day number 18. Guys, it's nearly over. I'm so sad. How do we get to 18 already? What have we got? Oh, that's so cool. I guess this is a little flag to take down to the Quidditch pitch to wave on Gryffindor. Day number 19. This is so fun, guys. I hope there are Harry Potter fans among you and that you appreciate this Wizarding World calendar. And 24 gifts, I mean, 24 days, that's pretty good value, I think. What's behind door number 19? Oh, we've got another textbook. I'm having trouble reading this one, so if I hold it right up here, maybe you guys can see. Oh, okay. Most potency potions. Okay, so obviously we need to be getting up to some rule breaking. And I think this is the book that the Polyjuice potion recipe came from. Day number 20. This is a big one. Oh, I wonder what we've got behind this door. What have we here? Oh my goodness. Okay, this door goes all the way down here. Oh wow. Okay, this is very cool. It will be really cool if I could get this door open. Okay, Harry's Nimbus 2000 broomstick. Oh my gosh, how good is this? Look at that. That is sensational. How cool. Well, I can't wait to get Harry on his broomstick. That is so cool. Wow, no words. Day number 21. Just a little one this time. I'm so excited about that broomstick, guys. That is so cute. Yeah, there we go. I've ruined the door. Never mind. Oh, wow. Look at this. So speaking of broomsticks and Quidditch, we've got the golden snitch. That is so cool. I wonder if that will actually fit in Harry's hand. We might have to have a little play around later, the different accessories and how they fit with Harry, but that is sensational. Oh no, day number 22. It's getting so close to the end now. Oh, wow. Okay, that's very cool. We've got a copy of The Daily Prophet. That is amazing. Copy of The Daily Prophet with The Boy Who Lived, covering a lot of territory in this calendar, which is great. A whole lot of wizarding lore. Only a couple more days left to go, guys. This is very sad. Day number 23. Oh, look at this. I'm gonna have trouble doing this one on camera, so I'll be right back. I think this might be the cutest thing I've ever seen. So we've got a chocolate frog and a chocolate frog box. So remember, they've only got one good jump in them. Be sure to catch your frog before he leaps away. But you know, everybody knows it's the cards that you're after, really. That is so cute. And now we're on to our very last day. This is so sad. Okay, so this is a really big door. So what is behind day number 24? Lucky last. Oh, wow, you guys. This is Harry's invisibility cloak. How cool is that? Wow, that's unreal. So I don't know if anybody remembers, this was given to Harry on his first Christmas at Hogwarts, and it proved to be very, very useful, didn't it? Just flipping the box around, guys, it looks like we might have a background in the box somewhere, and we didn't get this trunk or present. So let me just have a little look through the rest of the box carefully and I'll see what I can find. Ta-da! This is a flap that opens up. I didn't even notice this before. Look at all of this. We've got a bunch of things to make here and a really cool background. I'm going to be right back. Okay guys, well I got myself a pretty cool background from the packaging. I actually took the inside of where Harry was in the door number 1 or day number 1. Had this cool like stone brickwork. So I've taken that out and joined it up to what was on the back of the packaging. The Gryffindor common room, fireplace and Christmas tree, which I think is really cool. I'm really happy with this background. So now let me just show you how I've done this. Just propped it up with some blue tack against a couple of pieces of foam board. I've got my vinyl planking that I picked up from the thrift store as the floor here, and I think it just looks so good. Very happy with that. Okay guys, well that's everything we got in this Harry Potter Wizarding World Hogwarts Gryffindor Common Room Advent Calendar. My goodness, that's a mouthful. Try saying that 10 times fast. I really hope you enjoyed this. I had such a lot of fun unboxing this calendar. This was so cool and it's so festive and lovely. So I hope that you enjoyed it and stay tuned for more festive content. Thanks so much for watching, guys. And if you've got this far, why not like, comment, and subscribe? And I'll see you in the next video. Bye! It's a bit weird because... Whoops. Oh! Ah! So, Gryffindor. Oh my gosh. Ah! Oh. Does not want to come out. Oh no, where'd it go? Oh no! Harry.